Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I've been asked by a company called Owleye to do a review on their motion sensing light. I need one actually on my garage over here. So I took the old one off and I'm going to put this one on. This is a motion sensing light. Let me show you what's inside, and I'm going to connect it and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so in the box you're going to get your instructions. You're going to get your light, obviously. And the light is adjustable. It goes up and down, and it rotates side to side also. You're going to get this little mounting plate that goes into the back here. You would connect your wires here, and these three holes will plug into these three terminals right here. Okay? I'll explain all that in a second. This here is your motion sensing unit right here. It also has a bunch of settings back here, so you can adjust it for daytime motion sensing, dusk, or at nighttime. Also the length of duration you want the light to stay on, and the sensitivity of the light also. So that's pretty self-explanatory. It's in the manual. It's very simple. The light is 5,000 Kelvin. 5,000 means it's a very crisp, white, clean light. Anything over 5,000 is going to be more of a bluish light. Anything under 5,000, it'll be more of a yellowish light. The outside here, this is an aluminum casting, so which is very, very good, very durable. This, on the other hand, is plastic. Right here, all this here, but the light housing itself is cast aluminum. What we're going to do here is we're going to mount this. I'll show you how to wire it. I'm going to mount it and we're going to test it out. Also the brightness, I forgot to mention that. The brightness is 7,000 lumens, which is, the more lumens the brighter it is. So it's very bright light, and it uses 58 watts. So it's pretty energy efficient. Alright, I'm going to explain to you how to connect this light to your existing electrical box. Typically you would have electrical box similar to this, could be round. What you would do is take your mounting plate with this part sticking out towards you, and you would mount it to your electrical box like this, and you would screw it here, and that would support it to your to the house or to your garage or wherever you're mounting it. Then once it's mounted here, what you would do, you would bring your wires through, of course. Bring your wires through here, this hole, so they come out, and this is where you're going to connect them. This would be mounted like this, okay? Typically like this, and this is going to be mounted like that, okay? So once your wires come out of here, you're going to notice right here there is, if you can see that this is a ground symbol, so this is your ground. The L here is your line or your live wire would go here, your hot wire, and N is neutral. So you would start off with your ground wire. You stick your ground wire in there like that. And tighten that down, okay? Next is the hot wire. The hot wire is going to go in there like this. And of course, you're going to tighten this down. And you're going to do the same thing with the neutral, which is the white here, in the US anyways. And you're going to tighten that down. Okay? And that's how it should be. Ground, your hot, and your neutral. Okay? Now these three holes here, they're going to connect to these three terminals here. Okay? So you got these two plastic things protruding out here, and this one here. These two are going to go in this hole here, and this one up here is going to go in that one here. That way these will align to these terminals, and it'll plug in. Now of course I don't have my wires going through here, but typically your wires would come through this hole here and into here how I have them wired here. Now I got my wires hooked up here, and this will get mounted just like that. Now I just got to plug these 3 terminals in to the plug here, and then we're going to screw it from here in the middle all together. Okay, it's mounted. I can adjust this later, but it looks like it's about right. This shines light at a 240-degree angle, so it'll get the entire wall here. Obviously, this is 180, so it should work just fine here. It'll light up this entire area. So we're going to test it out tonight. All right, one more thing I needed to add. This light has an automatic mode and a manual override mode. Now the automatic mode is how it normally runs. It senses motion and it comes on. And it'll stay on for the desired minutes you have it set for. The manual override is if you want the light just to stay on, you're working in the area and you need the light to stay on, what you would do is go to your light switch, turn it on, off, on, just like that. And what that will do is that light will stay on there permanently until you shut it off. If you wanted to go back into automatic mode, all you have to do is shut it back off, wait at least 20 seconds, then flip the switch back on, and it will be back in automatic mode. Alright, I am outside roughly about 40 feet or so from the light, and I'm going to walk up to the light and see how bright it is. Wow, that is incredibly bright. That is amazing. Let me bring the camera here because right now my camera is adjusting for the light, and let me show you what it's like out here. Okay, I am at the door right now, and let me pan the camera. Those are my solar panels. My old bales of hay there. Everything's very, very lit up. Nice. So I am directly under the light right now. I can't even look at that thing because it's so bright. I'm going to start walking backwards so you can see how bright this thing is. Okay, I'm about 100 feet. Yeah, pretty close to 100 feet away. And it's very nice. It's very bright out here. Really nice. Yeah, that is, woo! I can't even begin to tell you how bright that is. Wow, that's awesome. Okay guys, so on a light like this, obviously you can adjust the sensitivity, when you want the light to come on, and you know, at so many feet away or whatever. I have mine set my sensitivity at medium, and that worked out pretty good. I was about, I don't know, 35, 40 feet away and it come on. That's perfect. So yeah, this is very nice, very bright, and it lights up the entire area out here. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. If you guys are interested in the light, I'm going to put links in the description below the video. They're affiliate links and they'll help my channel out a little bit, and I would greatly appreciate it. Alright guys, so please like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.